Hello, we are in Cabo San Lucas in Cabo Bello, and I want to show you this property, 5-bedroom house. Let's see, beautiful house, very close to the ocean with beautiful views and swimming pool. Here we have a space for parking, lot for 2 cars, and behind the house we have another space for parking. Let's see more. It's a very nice house, beautifully made, and with a very interesting architecture. Look at this hall. Isn't it magnificent? Very interesting, very well made. And look how organic it looks. With these rocks that the owner left it to don't destroy nature and mix it with the architecture of the house, right? Let's see the living room and the kitchen. This way, please. Be careful with the stairs. So here we have this TV room. Very nice space, and you see it big enough to receive the whole your family or friends. There's another cozy corner, like a living room, right? Oh, very nice place. Can you imagine here? And there is a dining table and a small bar, not as small, but still very good, and fully equipped kitchen. Everything you need is here. Very nice, very nicely made. We have there laundry room and the space for parking outside. Let's see outside. Here we have this terrace with small palapa and a very nice size swimming pool. Come here and check it out. The owner, once he received an offer for this house and accepted, will fix whatever it needs. Yeah, there is a jacuzzi, and as for me, the main bedroom. Check it out. Look this place with so tall ceilings. Very nice. Fresh place. You have these rocks again. This piece of architecture of nature, right? You see all this? Then we have a full bathroom. Come with me. Full bathroom, very well made. This house was built in the beginning of 2000, so the style is very nice. It was updated a year ago, so we have new air conditioners, many new stuff. In case you're interested, we have a list of all the updates. One thing more. Outside, downstairs, you have another bedroom with a full bathroom and air conditioner that could be as a guest room or service room. Very good one too. Let's see, from this door, you can access to the living room. Let's keep walking. Here we have another 2 bedrooms. Look, this beautiful art. And here's the first bedroom. Very nice, spacious, two beds, and beautiful view of the ocean. And of course, you have your own terrace. This bedroom will share it with a second bedroom, but still, it's pretty nice, right? Let's see the second one. The second bedroom. It will be the third, but the second like smaller. We have master bedroom, that was second, and this one, the third one. We have access to the terrace. We have nice view from both windows. Very nice. The house is totally furnished. It's important to remember. We have one big bathroom to share for these two bedrooms. Okay? There is a small room for blankets, whites, and things. Let's see more. From the hall, we have an access to this other room that right now it is settled as an office, big office. So you can work with all your team, if you have a team. And look at this view. It is great, right? The view is just unbelievable here. I love it. This room you can remodel and make another bedroom if you want. It's totally possible. By the way, there is a rooftop. We don't have access today, but there is a rooftop as well. And one more full bathroom in the hall. Did you like this property? Are you interested to see it? Do you want to buy it? You should call me.